If you're someone who doesn't like how your name is appearing in your Yahoo Mail, this is what you're going to do to change your Yahoo Mail email or name. So, first thing that you're going to do is you're going to head over to your mail.yahoo.com, and then from there you're going to sign in or going to sign up to an account. And once you're on your inbox or your dashboard, you're just going to head over and click right here the more button or the three dots icon right here at the bottom of the left side panel. So, once I click on more, a dialog box will appear which will contain the settings. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on settings right here, which will take you to the settings page. Now from here, you'll be able to see this left side menu. You're just going to click on mailboxes right here, and then you're going to click on the email that you want to change the name of. So for example, I want to change the name of this one. I'm just going to click on it, the same thing that you will do, and then you will see this name right here. This is the name section. What you're going to do is you're just going to enter the name that you want to change this to. So for example, I'm going to change this into the name Lucy. What you're going to do next is you're just going to click on save right here to save all of the changes, and then now your name will appear as Lucy every time you send an email. And that's it. That is how you're going to change your Yahoo Mail name. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.